Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix Instagram filters and effects not working on iPhone. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Offload Instagram app. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap General. On the general page, scroll down, tap iPhone storage, then scroll down, tap Instagram, tap offload app, again offload app. Solution number 2. Update Instagram. Open the App Store app, click on search bar, search your Instagram app, update Instagram. Solution number 3. Log out and log in Instagram. Open the Instagram app on your iPhone. Click on profile icon. Then go to 3 line. Tap setting and privacy. Scroll down. Tap logout. Again tap logout and login back. Thanks for watching this video.